سلام، امیدوارم حالت خوب باشه. من با بابا هستم.
سلام.
و من میخوام روند لایتنینگ توی دوولینگو انجام بدم. بریم که بریم. اول 10 XP، بعدش مدیوم 20 XP و بعدش سوپر هارد 80 XP. خب این ایتالیایی هستا و باید به انگلیسی اسویچ کنم باشه. خب این so we actually have coffee, so it will mean caffè.
Caffè.
There.
Caro.
Caro or coro? I think caro.
Caro.
Ah, I'm a genius.
Sì, Anna, per favore.
Yes, Anna, please.
Per
favore.
Per favore.
Per favore actually means please.
C'era. C'era. Nera. C'era.
Yes, Sadia there. Okay, 10 XP. Let's make this harder. Medium.
No, un tè, per favore.
No, a tea, please.
Tonno.
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 Grazie, Laura.
Grazie, Laura.
Laura. Scusa, tu sei di Roma, vero?
Scusa, tu sei di Roma, vero? There we go.
Ciao, Matteo.
Ciao, Matteo. Ciao,
Matteo.
What?
Matteo.
It actually means Matthew in English. There. Huh?
Un caffè con latte.
Un caffè con latte.
Ciao, Luca. Luca.
Oh, I actually need 1 more hour. So, like that. Hello, I'm from Rome.
Salve.
No way. Look at what Falstaff says.
Salve.
Very low sound.
Di. Sono Roma.
Di Roma.
Roma.
There.
Di Filadelfia.
Typing is too hard. I don't want to type. We'll skip typing for this lesson. Hi, Laura. Ciao, Laura.
Laura.
What was that? It's like the kitchen was going to explode. So,
Ciao.
ti devo say there.
Sei.
Fantastico. Grazie.
Grazie.
There. Cornetto. It doesn't have any accents, but no way. Oh. Cornetto. There. Did I earn 80 XP? Yes, I earned 80 XP. Let me show Daddy. Daddy, I earned 80 XP.
آفرین به تو پسر گلم. خیلی خوبه.
I think Daddy actually switched to Persian because he doesn't know much English.
قلب من
Okay.
الزجاجة.
Let's. Ma. No way! Yes! I'm on the leaderboard! We actually have the Silver League. The Silver League has started. Next is. I don't know what league it is. I think next is Ruby League. No way! I didn't do a friend streak with Ruby May. I think I'll come back. Oh, in today's review, we actually have 30 plus words. Let's go. We actually have all of these words. Words, including like
Cassa.
or.
Italiano.
Practice your Italian words. Let's go. Start. Oh. Look at a lot. I don't want him to kidnap us, but we'll see. Madre.
Madre. Figlia. Padre.
Padre. Now let's try listening.
Sì. Sì. Figlia.
Latte. Latte.
Filadelfia. Padre. Salve.
Caffè. Caffè.
Te. Marito. Marito. Latte.
Let's make this a bit harder. It's so easy. I'm good at Italian. So, tea,
Te.
coffee,
Caffè.
yes,
Sì.
daughter,
Figlia.
Caffè.
Latte.
Latte. Salve.
Another salve.
Salve.
Sì. Madre.
No way. They go away.
Latte. Sì. Tè.
Marito.
Zucchero.
Padre.
Philadelphia.
Filadelfia. Salve. Roma.
That was awesome. Oh, what? I didn't do a friend streak. Go for a friend streak. I actually need to go for a friend streak. Friend streak. Where is the friend streak? Where could I go into the friend streak? No way. No, it says Alana shared a message. Mi madre es fiera de mí. My mother is proud of me. Ah, yes, like.
نوشته شبکه رضا شاه دوم روی سد در
No, wait, dive in. No, it goes into Google Chrome. I don't know why it goes to Google Chrome. Lucy? No, wait. Does it look like Lucy? Selected the February batch. Oh, celebrate. And oh, player versus player chess is here. Let's go. In the next video.